All right. What's going on, everybody? We're live. Happy Thursday, October 17th. We're going to day trade the futures. We are live for channel members, and we are live for university students. All right. So let me do this. Let me share the screen. Bam. I'm going to run this across because we are live, and then this re-airs later, public. I don't know, several hours later. But one of the benefits of being a channel member is you always get to catch it live. And that's important because we're day trading the S&P 500 live. So it makes all the difference in the world for those of you wanting to learn how to trade this bad boy. So sit back, relax. Let the university students inside our private members area. They're going to be chatting back and forth. Information is down below if you want to join the members area. Coaching. We actually teach you how to day trade, right? This week we're up several $1,000s. So good week. All right. Market is up 34. I like it. Unemployment claims came back 241. That was what was forecasted because they liked it. Retail sales, higher core retail sales. So positive numbers, and the market's reacting accordingly. Market's reacting accordingly. So we got 3 minutes to go. Let's see what we can do. The futures are good, though. I mean, Dow Jones up a little, up 100. NASDAQ's up big. That's good. Gold's up. Silver and oil down a little bit. But that's where we at. We got about 3 minutes. Appreciate y'all joining. I know y'all are here all the time, right? We're going to have our university students pop in here pretty soon. But we've been day trading this bad boy for a long time. We're killing it this week. Right now, this week, God, we're up a lot, dude. 97 points? Shit. Light it up. Line it up. It looks good. Kind of just, bleeding off here a little bit towards the open. Go. All right. I got multiple screens, so I'm constantly flipping back and forth. We day trade here, guys. Y'all know. Y'all do this all the time. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, good morning, man. How you doing?
What's going on, man?
You know what? Just looking to keep that old the positive side of the balance sheet growing.
Yeah, I know.
That was a good day yesterday.
Oh man, it was crazy. Like, it was really good, actually. Really, really good. Last several days have been really good.
Yeah, I was a little frustrated about mid-morning my time. I mean, things really started rolling in a direction, and I was tied up on a conference call for quite a while in the morning, and I couldn't focus on the trade. I was going to get in while I was on the call, but then it was like, I'd get distracted, and then things would turn, and you know how it goes.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
but
Well,
anyway.
One of the things that I'm seeing too is when it takes off in the morning and you get your points, it never really comes back. And so when I get my full points, I don't even day trade in the afternoon. I don't even think about it because it never comes back anyway. The ones that work the best in the afternoon is when it comes back and does something. But when it takes off, you get your points in the morning and then you don't even think about it. What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's up? What's up? We're just chatting. That last days have been good.
Yeah, I made 37 cents yesterday.
Damn, that's good.
Excellent.
That is good. That's shit. You beat me. I got 35 yesterday. Shit, you beat me. What's up, Roy?
Hello there, Jeff.
What's up? Hey, man. What's up, brother?
Been a few days.
Yeah, I know, man. We've been doing good, brother. But hey, better to be here than not, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, glad you're back.
Well,
We've been killing it.
Today.
Another day. Marco.
What up?
What's up, guys? Let's rock. We've been doing good, so let's keep this streak alive. All right, let me do a couple things. Get set up, ready to rock. Market's up 33. Let's see what we got, man. My kid, oh God, he kind of. Brandon, what's up? My damn kid, dude. I went to help him. He has these Nike shoes. And it's like he paid for them with his own money and he loves it. And I went to go put him in the car this morning and I couldn't find him. Some bitch, dude. He went to baseball yesterday and he left him. So I hope that fucking nobody fucking steals him. You know, because he went to the high school and they were in, because it was raining, they were in this this special room. And I think he fucking left him there, dude, which means other kids are going to come into that room in the morning. And I sure hope that they fucking kids don't steal his badass Nike. So he was off. It flustered me big time today. They're not even my shoes. And I got flustered for him because he was so damn flustered. So let me kind of prepare, focus. Because again, you need to have your head in the game here, right? Brandon, what up? All right, guys. You got any questions? Type in our chat. We got lots to do, right? Lots to do. But I'm not going to do anything until 3 minutes. And then we're going to start marking these levels, right? We're doing really good here. So let's see if we can trade it. The good thing is it's out of our hands, right? Nobody has a crystal ball. We have no idea what's going to happen. All we can do is when we get our signal, we take it. That's it. Like we've been doing every day. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Now, the last several days, it has been working, so that's good. But, you know, we don't know what it brings. I'm going to go ahead and mark this top 25. 25. Purple 1. There we go. Let me mark this top. Right there. Wait, what am I doing? Don't mark that top. What the heck? See, my kid rattled me. Do not mark that top. In the first 15 minutes, the only opportunity is our advanced, okay? Y'all know that. Y'all know that. I'm surprised we're negative on the ticks. That is interesting. We open up plus 31, and we're negative on the ticks. That's a shocker. 17. So I'll be looking to go short on the advanced. So if you don't do the advanced, don't mess with this. I got a bad feeling about it, but I got to just do it no matter what, right? Got to take the trade if it presents itself. I'm going to be looking at those 84 puts on the SPY. 84 puts on the SPY. There we go. All right. So let's see here if I can get a quick pop. I'm not looking for much points, y'all. Not much points. Just 5, really. Wow. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to enter at, damn it, 12. So I'll about put it at 12, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get in right now. And I am not going to mess around. I'm only going for a couple points, right? I'm going to sell half right now. Bam, I sold half. And let's just pull. I'm going to keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and go flat. Bam. Damn. That was huge. Holy crap. I got way more points than I thought I could get. That is interesting. I'm out. Okay. Wow. I can't believe it. I just got 17 points. Holy 17. Well, on the option, 17 cents. Holy crap. Oh, wow. What a start. Let me back off from. Okay, I'm processing what just happened. I got that so fast. There we go. Bam. 17 already. Wow. Bam. Plus 17 on that one. All right. That would have went a lot farther. I'd be out though for sure, right? Like no matter what a money shot, guys. That is, I already got 17, man. Way to go. All right. So plus 17, and that is it. So you guys understand. Way to go. Thanks, Roth. That was the advance. We took this break. Beautiful entry. You got the points. Right? I only shoot for 5. I went out at like 3. And wow, I'm in shock right now. That went down 10. That would have clipped out. That got the 5 so easy. So there you go. Plus 17. Way to start. I'm kind of in shock. But that's how you do it. Right? If you have any questions, let me know. That was only the advanced. I took a pop right here. Again, I was only shooting for 5 points, but I'm going to be honest. I actually glanced at my P&L, and it was up 3 points. So I just said, I'm dumping that sumbitch. Because, I mean, I'm not looking for much. I'm only looking for 5. I dumped it at 3, but for some reason, that option shot up quite a bit. I mean, I don't think I've plus 17. Like right off the bat. All right. Let me reset. Let me reset now. So, way to go. So that trade is over. Look, this market quickly gave back its gains. Well, starting to fight a little bit. So beautiful. The only technique, right, or strategy, that's what I'm going to call it. Again, get the options out of the brain. The only strategy in the first 15 minutes is the advanced. I took an advanced number 1 setup, 17 cents on the option, right? Shit. I'm in shock. That hasn't happened in a while. We were already up 97. Long ways to go, though, because I know a lot of y'all didn't take that trade because you're not doing the advance, so you probably didn't take it. Even though I told y'all, like, I'm in. I'm out. Yeah, you know, it's yeah, I see that too, Jeff. Yeah, Rafa, it was. No, 25. I do half. In the first 15 minutes, I do half. So it was 25 contracts. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I always do 50 on the advanced, but if it's in the first 15 minutes, I do half. Because normally, honestly, it doesn't work out. I'm not going to lie. Normally, it doesn't really work. It's a lot of fake outs and traps and everything. And that one caught me off guard. But you see how this is gabbing? So, yeah, I honestly was not expecting that. But what did I say right before that? I even said it. Whether you feel it or not, you have to take your trade no matter what. And that's what we did, or what I did. But always on the advance, because I'm always comfortable with that. The other ones, we're still testing out the rules. They've been doing great, but we're still testing them out. But with the advance, there is no testing. I've been doing that shit for like 5 years. I ain't testing that. Now, I'm confident in that trade, but I do know that you have to get in and out pretty quick because normally it will trap you or fake you out. That just happened to move enough to get us more than I thought. So y'all figure it out, right? 17 cents times 25. That's $425 in the first 9 minutes. It's pretty good. It's really good, actually. Not pretty good. All right, so now the only trade I would be interested in right this second is a pop up through 25, but it's got to happen quick. Now we have our WebEx. Rafa said he took a trade like that, was in and out in 30 seconds. Shit. Hang on, somebody's calling me. Hello? Yeah, I have to answer the damn phone because these people are coming to my house and they didn't give you time. They said between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. They have to come check out this furniture. My wife did a claim on the furniture, so now I have to answer the damn phone. And you got all these spammers that call and then they don't say nothing. Like your phone rings and you answer it and they don't say nothing. And you're like, why the hell you call if you're not even going to say nothing, you moron? Oh, well. See, they're just doing everything they can, right, to throw you off. Okay, so let's see our next line of attack. All right, so I'm going to go to our WebEx. We're going to wait now for our next opportunity. Okay? Next opportunity. Again, first of all, there's different strategies, right? So you got to know obviously which strategy you're going to do. And then the different setups. That was a setup number 1 on the advanced. Now, the course, everybody in the university, you guys, Brandon, Jeff, John, Marco, Rafa, Roy, y'all got the course. Now, in the course, it only teaches the advanced. The other stuff's fairly new. So I haven't done any video lessons. That's why you're here learning. But it teaches the advanced. Which, again, I love the advanced. Okay? But it hasn't teaching the aggressive or the scalping. All right, I'm going to mark this level down here. Now let's start marking stuff. 1924. There you go. I'm going to double up on this key area up here, 25. Make it thick. All right. Now, these key levels, they still might change. It's got about another minute or so, but I'm just going to go ahead and draw them, kind of anticipating that they're going to hold. Oh, shit. Spam is triggered when you say hello. If you answer part-time trading. Ooh. Part-time trading, can I help you? Man, Rafa. Somebody told me that too, but I keep forgetting. My lawyer said if you say hello, they can try to record your stuff. If you're like, hello, hello, they can record it. He said, yeah, they can record your voice too. If you say hello, but I forget. So he said never answer. He said you can answer like bueno or qué. But what if it's a real? So I like that. Trading part-time. Trading part-time, can I help you? I like that. Trade more. I'm going to say that. Trade more, can I help you? That's it. That's easy for me to remember. Thanks, Ralph. Okay, y'all. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's reset. I'm going to clear the active trader and get set up for the next opportunity. All the strategies are available. Scalp, aggressive, advanced, basic. Yeah. He's like, ¿qué? Bueno? I said something the other day. I go, bueno. But then they started busting out Spanish. I'm like, shit. I don't even know it. ¿Qué? Yeah. But I like that. Trade more, trade more. Yeah. How can I help you? But yeah, anything. He just said, don't say the word hello. The attorney told me. He's like, when you say hello, they record it. And then they'll try to use your voice with AI. It's interesting. Okay? Right? Ticks are 43. Just watching the information. Watching for clues, right? No hurry. I'm already up 17. Yeah. Trademore University. Can I help you? Fucking love that, dude. That's easy for me to remember, too. I forget on the other stuff. Like, okay? But then it caught, again, it backfired whenever I was like, bueno? Then it started speaking Spanish and I was lost. Exactly, brother. Trademore University. Oh, shit. You trying to sell me some fucking Obamacare or whatever the hell that dude's. They always kind of constant me. They're calling about Medicare, too. I'm like, bitch, I'm not even 65. What the fuck are you calling me about Medicare for? Fucking retards. Have you chosen your plan? Hey, hear about... I don't know. I erased the levels. I guess I wasn't paying attention, but it's still got another minute to go. That's true. That's true. So I just erased the key levels because I don't know. I'm kind of out of it. But the software is going to draw them in a minute. So we're just going to leave them up and see if it does. But yeah, I like that. They don't call businesses. So I'm going to answer Trademore University. How can I help you? That's exactly how I'm going to answer every phone call that I do not know. Oh, a little Russian? Oh, shit, dude. Yeah, I don't know no Russian. But again, I know some Spanish, but it backfired on me. Hey, let's see if it prints in 7 seconds. Let's see if it prints. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Bam! See that? Beautiful. Yeah, I was like, bueno? Bueno? And then they started busting out Spanish. Oh, fuck, that threw me off. So then I just hung up because I didn't know what to do. Just being patient, guys. Market's back up 20. Fought back. Good move getting that points right there. But now I'm just waiting. Remember, we got the aggressive, and I'm loving that aggressive. Now, I know we haven't been taking pretty much any losses, but I know we will take losses. And on our journal, we need some loss. Again, I'm not saying a lot of loss. But we need losses because what I'm trying to figure out on the aggressive is what is the average loss. I already know the average win. Well, no, I don't because you may not get quite 20, but we need to determine our average win and our average loss. And it's got to be at least 2 to 1. Whatever strategy or, whatever plan you're trading, it's got to produce at least 2 to 1 reward to risk. You've got to. That way, if you're 40% right, you're profitable. You can make a full-time income being only 40% right if you're getting at least 2 to 1. At least. Right now, it's doing nothing. That's fine. With our strategies, look at these ticks, though. They're collapsing. It's interesting. That's how I'm going to answer. Trademore University. I'm going to answer that every time unless I know the person. All right. Just backing off, right? Just sitting on our hands. If you have any questions, type them in our WebEx, right? Everybody should be good, though. Oh, shit. I wasn't paying attention. Scalp. I forgot about that. I keep forgetting. So I'm also going to be looking to do that quick scalp. Y'all remember how that goes, right? Again, that's a newer one. So I'm full disclosure. I'm just going to do one contract. It's not about making the point. It's about getting that, figuring it out after a series of trades, and then we can scale up. Just so you know. That's all I'm doing on the scalp. Okay? It's not activated. Now, I know on that, what I'm doing is I'm going to put a hard target of 20, but that one I've got a manual exit. I'll let y'all know if it happens, but that's for the scalp. It's pretty quick trade, but I got the trading journal, so I want to test it. I just got to remember. Sometimes I forget because of all these strategies, but that's why I encourage y'all to pick maybe just 2, maybe 3. I mean, it's up to you, whatever you can handle. But y'all know on the scalping technique, if you have any questions on it, let me know. It's very new. So do not go at this with a lot of money or just practice it in paper money. I'm going to type in our chat. Okay, so that is the first step. Then that, okay? And then I'm going to attack it with an option of, let me write this down in our group. There you go. Again, I'm in testing mode. So understand. We're also looking at the aggressive. That's what we've taken the last 3 days. And it's worked. It's fucking worked. Okay, and again, I'm watching. Right now, there's nothing to do, but there's so many opportunities. So don't worry. If you didn't take that trade, okay, so not doing the scalp on this one, okay? Not doing it. I'm going to type in our WebEx. This is very important because I'm still testing this whole, right? See that? All right. Just keep waiting. Plenty of opportunities. And again, I'm typing in our WebEx as I'm also watching what's going on. You know, it's really simplified this and made it so much easier. Now, when I say easier, it doesn't mean that you win all the time. Easier meaning, like, for example, my son's 14. I was teaching him this aggressive, and he's already got it. He even made the comment. I told y'all yesterday, he said, like, it can't be that easy. Like, is it like that easy? It is. Now, yeah, it doesn't mean that we're going to win all the time, but easy meaning it's easy to execute the trade consistently, right? That's what I mean. It's aggressive, but when it works, as you can see, it works well. Right now, things are very quiet, very flat. Yes, that's exactly what it means. It's less emotional. Oh, yeah, it's way less emotional, way less stressful, very mechanical. The only thing is right now I'm just doing one contract, right? Mark!
Morning, gang.
What's up, Mark? Hey, I got me 17 already, brother.
All right. Where do you go, Jeff?
First 9 minutes, man. We hit that 3-minute pop, got in it. Wasn't expecting it to work, and man, shit worked within less than 9 minutes.
Look at this candle.
I know. Oh, I know, brother. Glad to see you, man. But other than that, that's the only trade. I took a opening 3-minute pop, 17 points, and now we're waiting. So, thanks to being here, buddy. Glad you're here, brother.
Nice way to start the day.
Yeah, I know, right? I know.
Better than having Wheaties.
I know. And it happened fast. I wasn't expecting it, but I told everybody, I'm like, well, this is a low probability, but hey, we got to take it because it's our setup. Took it and shit. We'll work quick. All right. All right. So this case, again, I've got multiple things. All right.
Is there some kind of news item coming out, Jeff?
You
Because
know,
that's a big
no,
candle.
I know, man. There was a news item at 7:30 in the morning, but that's it. And the market liked it. It was up a lot, but no, I don't know. It just sold off. There's a yellow item, which is a low impact business inventories, but no, as far as I know, based on forexfactory.com, there's nothing else of big significance. So now, guys, we got to wait, okay? It's already at that point to where now we're going to wait. But I'll tell you, pretty much all week, our trades have come after the first 30 minutes. Like this trade that we hit today, or at least I hit, that hasn't happened very much, to be honest with you. Huh? MJ, you talking about, is that a stock? Oh, I got you. I was like, is that a stock? All right. So let's now get ready for our next opportunity. Opportunity 1, 17. Opportunity 2, no trade. Now we're going to get ready for our next opportunities. Now there's quite a bit. So just get ready. We know yesterday this happened, and it happened fast. It is what it's almost damn near impossible to not at least take 1 or 2 trades a day now. That's fine. I just don't
Jeff,
want.
you really expanded your menu. You really have.
Yeah, you know, I mean, if we can't find a trade with all this, that means like there ain't shit. And I really like the ones that we're doing. Like I really like it. I really love the aggressive. I'm going to be very honest. That is really less stressful. Like it's good, man. Yes, I understand we've been winning, but we are going to lose. I mean, everybody does. But I'm just curious that when we do over a series of trades, what is the average loss? That's what and I type in the VIX key levels every day. People need to pay attention to that because that shit is everything. Yeah, order close flag off the bottom. All right. Let me type into key levels. Let's get to work. All right, so those are going to be our key levels. They're just extending. So that's our levels for the whole rest of the morning and even in the afternoon. Once those levels print, and again, you got multiple levels that will print here in a second, in about 3 minutes, but I'm not going to redraw it because I know it's coming. Ticks are picking back up. Fairly quiet. But again, it doesn't look like there's anything left. I mean, again, this is nothing big. Just kind of scouring all the different stuff. So I'm going to be looking to go short on the advance. Okay? Charles, as soon as I said I'm going to be looking to go short, Charles popped in that he just went short. All right. I'm looking at the 82 puts. The 82 puts. All right. Okay, 82 puts. And I'm just watching, okay? But again, look at all the components. I'm going to draw a line down here. I'm not saying I'm going to enter there. That is just for my own reference. Okay, about that 90 area, just kind of watching. Watch for the trap. Watch for the fake out. We might have a couple different opportunities here. Watch this VIX as well. Okay, so again, I'm watching. I'm not entered yet, but I am watching. I'm looking to go short. Watch the trap. Not yet. Not yet. This is a baby fake out, but it didn't go. Did it? Shit. It did go 1 point. Watch out. That is a fake out. And it went more than 1 point, so let me wait. I want you to draw this line down here, okay? It is a fake out. I'm not going to lie. It's not big, but it did go more than 1 point, so this could go back up. Charles went short. Again, there's selling pressure, so sellers are right now in the lead. So short is the way to go, but we just have to wait. I'm looking at everything. Okay. They're not budging, okay? Let's just type in our chat. You'll see that? They're not budging. They're actually going up. So this, I mean, this to me, it looks like it could collapse. I mean, the market did not hold. The market opened up like 30. Didn't hold it. Nobody, I don't even know what that means. Synthetic bias down. Nobody knows what that means. Keep watching. So here's the deal. If you're going to do the advanced, you can only do setup number 2 through 4, okay? After this fake out, we got to watch out. But I am watching for the aggressive. Watch for the aggressive, okay? This is a tricky spot. Remember, guys, look at your signs. Could collapse at any moment. I'm not interested in the advanced break, okay? I'm not interested in that. I'll do setup 2 through 4 to catch on the way down. That's not a problem. Look at it collapse. Okay, not yet. Got to wait. We type it in our chat. I'm just typing something. Okay. That's what I'm watching. And I'm going to be, right now, I'm probably going to be looking at those 80s, to be honest with you. The 80s. The 80 puts. Not yet, but that's where I'm looking at. That's a baby, 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 baby. Ticks are picking up hard. Just be patient. No hurry. You know what? I might be doing those 81s. To be honest. Looky, looky. I got hooky. Not yet. My eyes are just looking at everything. Just be patient, all right? I know y'all do, but I'm just saying it out loud for my own benefit as well. This could be a fake out of a fake out, right? Isn't that crazy? To fake out like a double fake out. Woo! Charles went short. I ain't going short yet, Charles. Isn't that great? I'm going to put it in the chat. Oh, shit. Right, Mark? Here you go. That one's from Mark. Right, Mark? All right. So we got us a fake out of a fake out. I want you to draw this line blue. No problem. Draw this line blue. That's a minor key level. You can erase that one. Charles has posted in what he's doing, y'all. Charles is a legend. We know that for a fact. Ticks are picking up, though. I don't want to be short. So we talked about this yesterday, right, Mark, and everybody else? How many times in the past did you go short and the information we look at now was completely the opposite? Right now, I'll be thinking about going short, but what I'm seeing is completely the opposite. Not saying it won't go down, but information changes fast. I get it. But We had that discussion yesterday about how many times we got in a trade knowing what we know now and thinking to ourselves, why the hell? No wonder we lost, right? But information changes fast. Charles says, watch 94. If we break under it, I'm with Charles. Okay, I'm looking at that 91, but absolutely. Okay. Charles is constantly posting what he's seeing, his thoughts. And you know he knows what he's talking about. This could drop at any moment, though. Price could just tank like a damn rocket ship to the downside. We will be ready, just so you know. With our new aggressive approach, it's very hard to miss the move if it occurs. That's the thing I love about it the most. It's not going to let you miss the move if it happens. Like, no chance of missing the move. See, with the advanced, if you don't get the exact entry signal, you can't take the trade, right? Oh, I wasn't paying attention. The scalping method's still there. It was activated, but again, I forgot. I keep forgetting. I got so much stuff in my head, I keep forgetting. Again, I'm just.
Hey, Chef.
What's up, brother?
Sometimes if I don't answer you, you gotta keep in mind I trade the NQ.
Oh.
I gotta tell you, if you ever want to find out if your heart is still working,
NQ?
but I'll tell you, the moves are massive.
Oh, wow.
A 5-point candle in ES sometimes is a 30, 40-point candle.
Oh, shit, dude.
No joke.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't need to test my heart.
Yeah, you have enough issues testing your heart.
Exactly, brother. All right, so again, I'm not seeing this collapse based on the current information. What I do like about it is information changes fast. But I'll tell you what, I avoided taking a loss going short because I know exactly what to look for. I've been doing this long enough, but not just doing it long enough. I've got a clean set of criteria that if you just follow it, you're going to win. I mean, that move right there is 7 points. With my advanced technique, I have a stop loss of 2. This would have chopped me apart. And I have to have a stop loss of 2 because I tried a bigger stop loss and I couldn't do it. I was too emotional. But this could collapse at any moment. So I'm just chilling. Again, those ticks cannot seem to really sustain movement above the 0. If this is going to go back to the upside, we got to get cooking. If it stays in this zone, this bad boy will collapse eventually. But this move would have stopped me out. Like Charles, his stop was 85.50. He would be out. Or 80.50. His stop was 98.50. So it went to 98.70. So I would have been stopped out with the stop loss at 98.50. Actually, I wouldn't have had it because that's too much risk for me. So, okay. But again, I got some mixed messages. When in doubt, Stay the F out, right? No problem. And I'm talking for all of us. So I want y'all to know what's going on in my head. I mean, I can keep quiet and just think, but this is what I'm talking about, what's going on in my head. I'm constantly looking at the ticks, the VIX, the ES. The 1 minute doesn't concern me until I get an entry. So that's why, if you notice, sometimes I get way behind on it because it doesn't matter to me. I'm only interested in the 1 minute for my advanced entry technique. That's it. That's why when I get a setup and I'm ready to go, then I focus on that 1 minute. The rules are simple, okay? You trade it long enough, you got it. What's kind of blowing my mind right now is, other than that first opportunity in the opening, 15 minutes, there hasn't been nothing, which is kind of it's kind of shocker, actually. Not even a scalp. Those ticks are collapsing now. I just got a feeling that this market's going to just tank. And then bias up has signaled? Oh, shit. What the fuck? Bias up has signaled? Shit. That's all sorts of conflicting messages. Shit. Charles is short, but bias up. All right. Charles says if 94 is touched, the grace period will be invoked. Okay. If 94, if it pulls back and touches 94, is that what he's saying? Yeah. Mark. Oh, Mark's good. Oh my God, dude. Is that the NASDAQ or ES? Either way, I'm totally cool, man. The good news is I have no desire to do anything right now until my signal pops, baby. When it pops, it's game time, man.
Yeah, sorry, NASDAQ, buddy.
It's all good, brother. Yeah.
Yeah. But still, I mean.
They work in tandem.
Yeah.
It's just what gets me right now is we've got these ticks which can't really sustain above zero. The VIX is undecided. The ES is undecided. Okay.
Hey, Jeff, in tribute to Captain Jeff, what I've to myself, I call those pockets of turbulence, right?
Oh, I like that.
And you just before you do so many trades, you say, "Wait a second, I'm in a pocket of turbulence here."
Yeah, exactly.
So I recognize that a lot quicker,
Exactly. That's kind of like our casino floor, and that casino floor is the no-fly zone, right? Right, Jeff? No-fly zone, no trade zone.
Exactly, man. Reach up and pull them belts tight one more time.
Exactly. You trade in the no-fly zone, you in trouble. You trade in the no-trade zone, you in trouble. But what's interesting to me is back in the days, not understanding how to read what's going on, I would have got chopped apart at least 2 to 3 times. So I'm proud to say.
By the way, the VIX looks like it's right smack in the middle of the range.
It is. And it is right smack in the middle of the range. That's what I'm saying. The market, again, I'm going to type in the chat right now. This is so important. And again, I'm going to say it again. And Mark said this the other day, and that's perfect. The market cannot sustain any movement without the boss, right? Bruce Springsteen, the boss, it cannot sustain any movement.
Let's not use him.
Okay. Yeah, I know. You know what? Switching again. I don't go to politics, but I don't give a shit but I will tell you guys this. I'm a little late. I recorded this show the other day, right? My wife recorded it. So we went to watch it last night, and there was a debate. And I understand the debate was from Tuesday, but I had not watched it. And it was you got to be in Texas. It was Ted Cruz against that other guy. And I had not watched it. So we're like, you know what? Let's just watch it. Oh my God, dude.
Ted Cruz is probably the sharpest person.
That mother, he was the best I've ever seen. Trump should have hired that dude because you cannot beat that guy at a debate. He made that other guy look so stupid because that dude is so brilliant.
Here's the problem with him. He's so smart and so factual that people get to hate him.
Yeah, that dude.
What sense people hate him, you know?
He just went fact after. I mean, I can't believe the calmness. Me and my wife, and we were like, damn, Trump needs to hire that dude to teach his ass out of debate because he is a genius. Best debate I've ever. That was the best single whoop down, but the way he did it was just incredible. I couldn't believe it. It was so good. Anyway, I'm in Texas, so that concerns me, right? So that's why I pay attention. And boy, it was beautiful. That guy, he even got mad one time. I thought the other guy was going to punch him.
If you guys lose Ted Cruz,
we're dead.
Really,
yeah. And he's there talking about Texas and this and that. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, well, that's funny because every single state, everybody's coming to Texas. So if it's as bad as you said, why is everybody moving here? They wouldn't be moving here unless they thought it was good. Anyway, let's keep trading. But I just thought, wow, that was amazing. The market's not amazing right now. But if we would have went short, we would have got toasted. Kudos. Kudos to y'all. And Charles says bias up a signal. So you want to, whenever Charles triggers bias up, you buy the dips. But look, guys, I mean, I get so excited now every day because the ability to read the market the correct way, it's so unbelievable. Again, it doesn't mean you win every trade. Nobody has a crystal ball. But just knowing when to stay out, when not to take a trade because the information, that right there is worth so much money. Think about all those losses that you save. Yeah, that debate was incredible. It was Tuesday, so I was late to watch it. And I didn't even know. I just happened to watch it because my wife likes that show, Dancing with the Stars. And so we recorded Dancing with the Stars and we went to watch it and that debate was on. So that's how I saw it. She watches those, that little dancing show. Chilling, guys. What are we doing? Nothing. But these are the kind of days where if you're going to be day trading in the afternoon, you're going to have opportunity. So I was talking about this. I don't know if it was Jeff or John, I don't remember, but we were talking about, in the afternoon, yeah, it was Jeff because he had a conference call and I said, you didn't miss nothing. Those days where the market takes off and just constantly runs in the afternoon, it's it. I mean, as far as the aggressive, that's it. But the days like today, these are the ones in the afternoon where you probably, unless it just runs, you're going to get opportunities because you guys know the key, again, the only thing that I'm doing in the afternoon now is the aggressive approach, and it revolves around, let me type it in the chat, period. That has been a monster in the afternoon for me. And it's easy, non-stressful, very mechanical. Like, it's just like Rafa said earlier, go back to less emotional, less stressful, very mechanical. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so, yeah, yeah. Nicely done, Dion. Dion got 30. Nicely done, brother. He took the bounce off of yesterday's high. Okay. The good thing is, you know, people have their own systems, own methodologies. Again, I'm only teaching mine because I don't know anybody else's. I mean, I don't want to know anybody else's. I got enough on the table with just me. But my shit works. For me, it works. You know, this week right now, I was at 97, 114. So $1.14. That's huge. But what's kind of unbelievable to me is I haven't taken a single loss. I'm kind of confused about that. And yeah, I do want to take losses, man, on the new, because we've got to get our numbers. Once you've got your numbers where you're like, all right, this is how much you lose on average. This is how much you win on average. That's the only time that you can start scaling up. When you're practicing a new strategy, hear this out. When you're practicing a new strategy, you have to either do it in paper money or you start very small. It's not about making money in the beginning. It's about getting your numbers. Once you have your numbers, then you can scale up. Look at these ticks. Can't sustain any movement. They're living in that range. They picked up hard. Look at that. Hard. If that stays like that, we're going down. God, but they're going the opposite. This is, wow, we've got some mixed messages. I'm just glad I got 17 already. This is crazy. I don't know. Again, I'm not taking the break to the bottom. I'm not, because of this key level right here. Okay. Ah, this is so mixed messages. I'm not going short on the break. No. See? Patience, my friends. This is tricky. Let me go get my phone. I'll be right back. We messaged the coach if he got my sons. Who won the Cruz? Man, I'll tell you what, Cruz made that guy. He spanked that guy around, dude. It's crazy. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Cool, my hat. All right, he left him in my friend's car. Whew, that's going to be good. Good for him. All right. That's good news. Good news. Good news. Yes, slapped him around and called him Sally Joe. It was quite awesome. That's, everybody needs to take a page out of his playbook. that noise is it's been 1 hour. All right. So this is what I need to do. This is what mechanical we do. Oops. So we're inside the 30-minute range at 1 hour after. So you need to draw your box here. Now, you see this minor key level. This is the casino floor. So I'm going to extend the box. This is the no fly zone or no trade zone. There's no more trades inside this range. No more. Bad news. Okay? Now, you can maximize this. Take your box. Extend this all the way across. And now you're good to go. Okay? Now we're good to go. Are we good on that? Why we did that? So if you're going to do the advanced, you got to wait for the break in the test or the break in the in-trend momentum. The aggressive, just trade it the same way you always do. Okay? I'm telling you right now, this is the beautiful thing about the aggressive. I'm telling you, when the market decides to move with the aggressive, you can't miss it unless you're not at the computer, which is fine. Then you don't beat yourself up because it happened, at a different time. But I'm going to make this very clear. When the market runs with the aggressive, you've got a 0% chance of missing it if you're at the computer trading. Zero. With our other entries, strategies, it's not that you miss it. It's just you may not get the entry signal. But with the aggressive, it ain't working like that. If you are patient every day, if you're patient, you're going to find opportunities, and more than likely, you're going to come out ahead. I'm telling you right now, it's so simple. There's no stress. If you actually just traded the aggressive, you could probably make a full-time, not probably, well, I have to say probably because we don't have the numbers all zoned in yet. But more than likely, you can make a full-time income just doing the aggressive. Now, let's talk about this. Do you want to do a scalp? Because I have this yellow box, there's no scalping in the box. There's no trade of any kind in the box. None. So, what's going on, Justin? Hey, Justin, I don't know if you just popped in, but I think here in the recording will be on there, so you can always go back and watch it, but good to have you here. We got 17 early. Right now, we are live only for channel members, and we are live only for university students. That's it. Nobody else can watch this. Now, again, being part of the university, obviously, we have our private WebEx. That's where we actually go over the rules, the course, the coaching. But, we trade and we go live. That's one of the benefits of being a channel member. You get You got to be there in real time. Now, once you're ready to step up your game to the next level, that's when you join the classes and you get in the WebEx and you get the course and you start learning this shit. Okay. It's all good. I mean, it's up there on YouTube. I think you can go back and, under the members area and just watch it. Because we actually made our money in the first 9 minutes. So you can literally go back to the beginning, watch it. The market opens. We literally made our 17 in the first 9 minutes of trading. Like, it happened just like that. It was crazy. It was crazy. Like, I wasn't expecting it, to be honest with you. But it happened. Marco, I think Mark had to go to Marco. Rafa, okay, who's still here? Brandon, Jeff, John, Mark, Rafa, Roy. I know Marco always has to go to work. It pops off. Y'all got any questions in the WebEx, let me know. With the most important thing right now, this is the no trade zone, or Jeff, our pilot, the no fly zone. Do not trade in this range or you will be dead. Oh, you're on the West Coast? Yeah. We got people in this room on the West Coast. You do got to get up earlier. 2 hours behind. I get it. Yes, sir, you do. So that would have been shit. Market opens up 6:30 where y'all are at. That's pretty early. I remember when I was in Hawaii. I couldn't, man, it sucked. It's the worst. Market opened up at like, I can't remember, 2 something or whatever in the morning. It sucked. I hated it. I don't know how anybody in Hawaii can fucking trade the market. It's awful. Awful. Not going on here, guys. 9:37. We're just, the market's not doing nothing. But I'll tell you what, to me, I do not like. I do not like that we really can't sustain any movement above this 0. If it doesn't get above the 0 and hold, this market's going down. We're not taking the break. You're only allowed to take setup 2 through 4 on the advanced. And the aggressive, you can't do nothing right now. This is very tricky. Thank God we got our points early. But again, I feel this market collapsing. But you don't have to worry about it. If it collapses and you're looking at the aggressive, you're going to see it. You're going to see it. You cannot miss it unless you're not at the computer. Hawaii's bad. Yeah, exactly. 6:30 don't look too bad when you start thinking about Hawaii. That's awful. I would give up trading if I lived in Hawaii. Fucking give it up. I'd be like, fuck that, I'm done. I gotta trade, or at least day trading. Fuck that. I'm not gonna wake up at 2 o'clock and day trade. Fuck that shit. Fucking can't even see straight at that time. Again, what I love about this, and I'm so pumped, we've got 4 strategies, right? 4. The advanced. The whole entire course is built around the advanced. That's it. So you're going to learn that. We have the basic. I do not recommend doing the basic and the advanced. Pick 1 or 2. I like the advanced. There's no videos on the basic because that's something we just started talking about. The aggressive. Absolutely love it. My 14-year-old son knows how to trade it now. We're still in testing mode, but it's looking really good. Scalping. We're in testing mode. Yeah. The VIX told you, go to the gym. Because you know why? The VIX is the boss. The way we read it. The scalping. We're still in testing mode, but it's looking good. So, 4 strategies. I would always say, pick at least 2, maybe 3. But the biggest recommendation is do not do the basic and the advanced. You pick one of the 2. Me, I do the advanced because it really teaches you how to read the price action. So here's the deal, guys. We're still in the middle. We're done day trading. 17 is good for me. Justin, go back and watch the beginning. We're going to get into options right now in the university, okay, for the coaching. We're going to do it there. So, Justin, I'm going to bid you farewell unless you're inside the coaching. I'm coming out. Okay, you have a question. Let me see here. All right, let me read this. Is it better to day trade early? Okay, this is good. I'm going to answer this one. Is it better to day trade early in the day near the market open, or does it not matter? Okay, so it's a great question, and I'll finish with this. Day trading, I love day trading in the morning. Absolutely. 8:30 Central Standard Time to about 9:45, okay, because I do options class. If I did not have options class, I would day trade from 8:30 Central Standard Time to 11 Central Standard Time if I did not have class. But 8:30 to about 9:45. I day trade in the afternoon if there's an opportunity, but I like the morning better. I like the morning better. I don't know if you're still there. It says nobody's watching, so you might have popped off because I didn't see your question on time. But if you're there, hopefully you got it. Hopefully you got it. All right. I got to get set up for options class. And let me see if you're still there. All right. Probably. Okay, cool. Yeah. Bam. All right. Y'all take it easy. Y'all in the room. Rafa says through his experience, Rafa is one of the students, right? Rafa's been with me a long time. My experience with day trading in the morning usually involves the good momentum whenever it occurs. So, again, if you decide to join us in the coaching, you're really going to be able to zone in what you do. But that's just kind of my overview. All right, let's get ready for option swing trading. I'm going to bid farewell as far as the day trading. Close it out, and let's get ready for some options. All right, Justin, have yourself a great day. I really appreciate you, man. I really do. If you know anybody else who wants to fucking make some money that's cool, like you, invite them in, brother. We got a badass group. All right. Peace out.